Hey guys, what's going on? Joker88 here. I'm sorry I haven't been posting any videos, but you know how it goes, right? Yeah. So, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a garage update. Yesterday I just released a video when I picked up my i8. So let's see what's going on in my garage, because there's a lot. So let's start over here behind me. So the first thing is we have the Tesla. What is going to happen with the Tesla? Is she going to stay or is she going to go? She's actually going to go. My brother's going to buy her from me. So it's really good because it's going to a good home. And right next to that, this garage mate, is of course my BMW i8 that I just picked up, and she's definitely not going anywhere anytime soon, period, because the 911 is gone, right, and the Cayenne is gone. So this is the replacement for the 911. And the i3, which is my daughter's car now, we just gave it to her, so that's not going anywhere. And we have the Sam over here. The Sam is definitely not going anywhere, and she's still doing great. After all the stuff, man. Still doing great. And I know one of my subscribers, or I did get a comment and said, "Hey man, you're always talking about Sam, so you should change your channel to Let's Talk Sam." Well, I just like cars, man, and Sam is there, so anyways, you can't please everybody, right? You can't. So let's go back here now. So now this is my Porsche Panamera. One great car. Oh, you know, you guys see what I added? It's kind of dirty and dusty. It's been kind of windy out here. So I added this carbon fiber spoiler on it. So it's really awesome. So when you see it driving down the road, you see this big old spoiler popping up. So beautiful car, this Panamera. Okay, so Panamera not going anywhere. She's staying here. Alfa Romeo, the 4C, definitely not going anywhere because I love this car. It's so beautiful, so Italian. And I haven't done anything new to it, you know. So I mean, when I bought this car, it's the launch edition and it has everything that I need. The only thing I added was I added the clear film protection on it. The entire front, it's got protection here on the side mirror and even on the side right here. All right, so that's kind of cool. Beautiful car. I mean, so much detail. I mean, only the Italians can do this beautiful carbon fiber spoiler, and then with the Alfa Romeo 4-cylinder turbocharged engine in there. And don't forget that this Alfa Romeo has a full-on carbon fiber tub. That's amazing. Yep, and it's badged Launch Edition. Let me see if it'll focus. There it is. Launch Edition 4C. This is actually number 167. And of course I did the joining unit on there, which is awesome. So if you do have an Alfa Romeo, I would definitely, that'd be definitely an upgrade that I would do. So anyways, and that's pretty much it, man. So let's, oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, my Sondor's bike, she's not going anywhere anytime soon as well. You know what I did though? I took it for a ride recently, and one of those shrubs that have like really spiky thorns on it, and it falls to the ground, and I rode over them. I'm thinking, you know, whatever, these are like some pretty cool like off-road tires. Dude, it penetrated through the rubber right to the wheel, and then it actually flattened it, both tires, so I had to buy new inner tubes. So anyways, later on I'm going to do a video on unboxing my i8, and again, it's a hybrid car. It's charging right here. Small battery, not as big as the other batteries. You can go up to 20 miles all electric. So, but out of all these cars that I have, the Tesla is the one that's leaving us. But it won't be my last Tesla. I'll buy another Tesla in the future, of course, because I love the all-electric capability that it has. And man, I have a charger back there, so I'm not gonna waste that. Also, I have there's a charger right there. I'll be selling. I have 2 chargers. See those boxes right over there? Yeah, I have 2 boxes of those Tesla chargers there that it's gonna be for sale. Those are the Elon Musk Signature Black Edition. So that I'll be selling, but I'm not taking that down because I can use it to charge the i3 and even the i8. So that's kind of cool, right? Because the first electric vehicles that BMW came out with was the i3 and then the i8. So that's kind of cool. And then being stalked by a Sam over there. So, well guys, that's our garage update. And like I said, I'll be posting a video on the i8 and showing you guys the ins and outs and the quirks and features of it. So anyways guys, this is Joker88. I'm gonna talk to you guys on our next video. Thanks man. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Help out the channel guys, so I can put out more content. I'll talk to you later.